Hello, I'm your host Jonathan Collins.
Hello, I am your host, Cyan Collins.
Collins, and you are cooking with cousins. Today we will be cooking a French dish usually eaten by Americans for breakfast, or maybe some even a savory dessert.
French toast, as most of you know, is served as a bread dish, sweetened with milk, cinnamon, and sugar, usually topped off with powdered sugar and syrup.
The ingredients you will need to make this French dish include butter, 1 loaf of bread, milk, vanilla extract, 3 eggs, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg.
The cooking utensils you will need to complete this meal is a measuring cup, teaspoon, a fork for whisking your ingredients, a frying pan, a bowl, and a spatula.
The first step into creating this French toast is creating the batter. First you will crack 3 eggs, 1, 2, 3.
After whisking your eggs, you will then combine 1 cup of milk to your eggs. The milk will serve as an acid to our recipe since it has a pH reading between 6.5 to 6.7, making it slightly acid. Milk contains an acid called lactic acid, which is a hydrogen donor or proton donor to some.
After combining our milk and eggs, you would then measure 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and put it into the batter. Okay. Then combine 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1, 2.
And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combining all ingredients together, making a complete batter.
Making this batter is like creating a solution in science class, with the eggs, milk, and vanilla extract being the solvent, and the solutes being the cinnamon, nutmeg, creating the solution, which is the French toast batter. The next step is actually cooking the French toast. Now that the batter is made, you will take each slice of bread and dip it into the batter on both sides, making sure each is coated. 1, 2. Now that each side is coated evenly, you will take the bread and place it on a plate. After coating your bread slices, next you're going to add butter to the pan. Not a lot, but just enough on medium flame, just to make sure there are no dry spots in the pan.
As the temperature rises, the butter in the frying pan will begin to sizzle, showing a transfer of energy from the flame into the pan, making the butter and pan warm, creating an endothermic reaction.
Once the butter has melted, creating the endothermic reaction, you will now add the piece of bread to the pan.
Cooking the first side of the toast, take the spatula and slightly press on it, increasing the surface area of the bread. Along with increasing surface area, you are also increasing the cook time of the second side of the toast because of the ideal gas, because increasing pressure on an item creates within intense steam, heated to cook foods in shorter time period.
When you're done cooking it on both sides, you will then place it on a plate. Once you are done with your French toast, place it on the plate and top it with your favorite ingredients such as fresh fruit, just a plain old syrup. Enjoy.
I'm your host, Tanya Collins.
I'm your host, Jonathan Collins, and this has been an episode of Cooking with Cousins. See you next time.